Hey profit takers, we're back with another video, and today we are going to look at the trade setups that I shared in the locals group this morning. All right, let's get to the charts. So we talked about, let me see, let's bring over locals. Okay. We talked about gold, GA, and GJ. So gold, we were looking at a possible continuation if price gets support. So let's look at that first. Well, actually, GJ is already on my screen. So GJ didn't have a clear signal. However, price was breaking highs. So anytime we see that pattern, we can expect some kind of reversal and then a nice higher high dump and then a pump, which that happened. Okay. So right here, guys, we can see that GJ is still in a range. It's still inside the open range of the week. And that's why the dashboard has not really updated with anything yet. But when I looked at it this morning, I was like, okay, we have already broken the high inside. We had a higher high inside, and we had a dump here, and it pumped up for the early birds. So you guys that were in London, Asia, you were able to get into this trade, okay? And then for New York, once it started, when I saw this starting to break this high, I was like, okay, it's going to go ahead and continue to break on up and, give us a stop hunt, right? So New York, for those of you who probably took this trade short, there was an opportunity at the high of the day to take this trade, okay? And then, of course, it came right back to this level, okay? This level right here from yesterday's high inside. And that's where you got your opportunity to go long if that was the trade, if that's what is your trade. If it says your trade setup, that's your trade setup. Sometimes I do take these scalps, if you will, even though it's inside the range and it looks like a long, like a bull market right now. If I miss the drop, then I'll wait, right? I'll wait for it to break back above and then I'll scalp it. I typically, when it's uncertain, that's what I would do. But I didn't take this trade today. I was too busy focused on gold, S&P, and DJ. Those are the ones I did take. All right. So we talked about GA. So GA, we were looking at this one. It was 2 days away from the peak and we had one break. So possible 3-day reversal trade if price didn't get resistance from the area that I've marked. So let's go look. Let's take a look at this one. We're going to GA. All right. So this one did not give us a complete reversal. It was a scalp at the high, right? Just like GJ. Again, it is a long market, guys. You can see the earlier birds were able to take this parabolic trade setup, right? So that setup played out beautifully, a day 2 continuation, right? By the time I get to the market, I'm looking to see, is there an opportunity for a reversal? Because, that's not my time frame. I wish I could trade London sometimes, but it just doesn't work out, right? So this one, let's see, at the high of the day, there was an opportunity to scalp this. Obviously, for those of you who love to get into the 1-minute charts, this one is for you. Okay. This one is for you. It's about 27 pips, not too bad, right? At the high of the day, especially if you're just scalping it, okay? You're not looking to hold nothing here, especially when you know the trend. You're doing a counter trend position. All right, so gold was a beautiful trade today. All right, this morning it was 2 peak low. Beautiful parabolic trade setup. All right, this one I did take, like I said. It was one of the best patterns. I love to see this pattern here. Love to see how we had, and this is something you have to get used to training your eyes to see, when price has this high right here, right before the open. That's another clear signal that you're about to have a dump and pump, and it's just going to go parabolic, right? Okay. So those were the trades, guys, that we posted in the locals group. Are you a part of the locals group? Join us. It's there for other traders to, all the traders, not just me communicating and, contributing. Everyone is welcome to contribute. And we encourage that. So we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a great day.